Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting yourself and the workspace. Gloves, goggles, ventilation. Apply white vinegar straight or a baking soda paste to a small test patch. This softens oil-based paint by breaking bond at the edges. Once you confirm no damage, saturate cloth and press for 2-5 minutes to let the solution penetrate. Make sure to work from the paint edge toward the center. That mechanical angle helps lift flakes without gouging metal. Move promptly to the next section when softened. Once paint is softened, you scrape carefully using a plastic scraper or a razor blade held nearly flat to avoid scratching. After most paint is removed, switch to wet sanding with 220 to 320 grit, keeping the metal damp so grit cuts paint, not metal. Move in smooth passes, checking progress every few swipes. Make sure to sand along contours, not across them, to preserve shape. When small pits remain, repeat vinegar or paste spot treatment and resand lightly until mostly clean. After removal, you rinse the surface well and neutralize acids with a mild soap rinse, then dry completely to prevent flash rust. Once dry, apply a rust inhibitor or primer within 1 to 2 hours so the bare metal bonds correctly. If small paint traces remain, repeat the spot treatment and light sanding. Make sure the final primer adheres smoothly. Troubleshooting tip: if primer bubbles or flakes, you likely missed residue. Re-clean and repeat pre-treatment before priming to ensure lasting adhesion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.